Tidings and salutations, friends. Nuzz here. I thought I would do a quick video on my backpacking knife. Now, a lot of people suspect or think or whatever that they know what my backpacking knife is or what it would be. And if you have a guess, and it's a tremendous one, please leave it in the comments below and let me know what you think my backpacking knife is. Odds are you might be right. And wouldn't that be something? That would be fantastic. I would love for that to happen. I gotta blow my nose. 1 second. Okay, back. So, yeah. I hope that you'll leave it in a comment below. My backpacking knife is actually in my hand right now. So, well, you're right. My backpacking knife is actually in my hand again right now. It makes me wonder if you were right. That's right. 2 backpacking knives. They're in my paws. Right now. And here they are. This one has everything that you need for, you know, basic kind of maintenance types of stuffs, which is to say, it's got little blades you can trim tape and things like that. It has the nail file for filing nails and digging crap out from underneath your fingernails, and a little screwdriver there and whatnot. But the real gem of this is in these scissors. These scissors are so good. They're really good. If you haven't tried the Victorinox scissors, well, I really think you should. I really do. It's also got the old toothpick on one end and the tweezers on the other. This weighs nothing, pretty much. It is actually lighter than... Where's my weights and measures? Stooge! What did you do with them? It wasn't me. It was a chariot. Okay, Stooge. You trying to say that your chariot ate the weight? Yeah. I don't believe that for a minute. Chariot, did you eat the weights? Moo. Alright, see? Stooge, quit trying to make things up. I'm gonna find the weights. So, like I was saying, this thing weighs less than this thing. So, this is pretty much the best little hiking knife there is. Now, the unfortunate side of this little thing is that it's too small. The blade on this is just, it's too small for the tasks that I need it to perform. This, as you can see, clear and plain as day, has a blade with a sharp edge that is under 2 frogs in length. Now, I don't know any oranges or apples that I can get through that are under 2 frogs in length and in width, you know, that, no, it's just not going to happen. And I do like apples. I do like oranges. So that's where this handy dandy knife comes into play. This is very slim, and it actually weighs the same as that. When their powers combine, what the hell's going on over here? What is it saying? This weighs the same as that, or less than that. When their powers combine, they weigh this and that. That's right, they weigh as much as 3 toads and a candy. Or, here, we can do it a different way. When their powers combine, they weigh less than that. like I was saying, when their powers combine, they weigh less than those two, which is saying something. Very, very light. This one has a backup blade, so I use this one for fruit and cheese, things like that. This side over here, the backup blade, this little penknife, is for whittling tasks. If I need to fashion a steak, which, you know, once in a while it rains, I mean, come on. You know Nuzz does not sleep in a tent unless there's lots of bugs or it's raining. Anyway, I use this little thing for making a steak if I need to. Sometimes you lose your spoon, and this comes in handy. You get to make another spoon. And this is pretty much the utility blade. The other one, the bigger blade. This one here is food prep. And, you know, that's their purpose, that's what they do, and they're good at it. So, the curious thing that I do with my knives, with my setup here, is because, you know, tents have zippers, I carry pliers as well, so that I can fix said zipper if I need to. Let's not fumble with this too much, but you know I got to. You know, if Nuzz's fingers worked real well, then I wouldn't have to do it this way, but yeah, the humanity kicks in, and I think I just about got it. I thought I just about had it. Can I see it? No. Here we go. Okay, this becomes the complete tool. Right here, together, so that I have my utility pieces together at all times. So, pinzas, pliers, you know, the pinchers. You use these to fix the zippers on tents and vestibules or what have you. Usually it's the mesh side though. But it comes in handy, helps out me and other folks. So I tend to carry those too. Where do I stick them in, you wonder? I stick them in the old hiking wallet, which has a toothpick, a flint, steel, no fire starter there, a nice little carabiner, and all that fun stuff. Once in a while I'll stick the P52 can opener. It's the larger of the two. The small one, my fingers have troubles with it. But all this stuff fits right here in this pocket. Like it was made to go there. I use the little carabiner here to hook onto something on occasion when I need it. You know, that kind of thing. But sometimes I just leave it stuck inside too. It's not a big deal, it doesn't bother me at all. The Chum's wallet is a good wallet, it's a good hiking wallet. You got two areas, two zippered areas. One side I like to put a few dollars, and the other side I'll carry ID on one side and, you know, a bank card or something. Here we're just using these little free blackjack cards that, you know, the casinos throw at you once in a while. As you know, little proxies. And of course the old phone tool. Get the cards in and out, SIM cards, so that when we're looking at whatnots and all that with the videos, we can get the cards out. This camera that I'm using here too, little card, these little things come in handy because my thumbnails don't really get in there too well. Anyway, that's the old setup for the wallet. A pen will be joining these things in here, of course, and it rides along the bottom row here, usually. But I recently had to replace these knives. I asked someone to send them to me when I had to get a flight, and they never did, so I had to buy some new ones. And I thought, you know, while I'm at it, I'll pick up another Excelsior. That's this little thin one. Because a lot of people, they tend to overlook this Excelsior. It just so happens that Nuzz does not overlook. And there's another one in here. And you know what that means. That's right, folks. That's right, friends. Nuzz picked up a backup knife. Yeah. It's not really a backup knife. You know, hint, hint, wink, wink. All that. Oh, that whatnot, as it were. Just say it. No, I'm not doing that. You can't bully me either, stooge. Just be happy riding around on your chariot there. And we'll leave it at that. Anyway, this should answer some questions about the old hiking knife situation. And I've been through several of them. This is what just makes the most sense. I'll do another video on some other knives that I've used for hiking knives and why I decided to change. Why I went with the Victorinoxes and just an all-around better idea. So we'll probably do that at some point. Maybe next, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Much love.